Hi guys, this is Daniel recording from Los Angeles. In 2019, with the vision of making a big difference in providing high quality LED repair service, I started my own business as Daniel's LED Repair Service. Since then, with our professional skills, we made a big progress in the business, and today I can't wait to show you my new facilities and my service team. Let's follow my lens and let's go have a look. After crossing the meeting room, we arrived at the warehouse, and the most important part is the repair stations, which contain of 3 repair guys and including me, 4 repair guys at full-time job. They are all well trained and qualified for any tough repair tasks and and rush repair tasks as well. So also they're able to provide installation service if needed. So this is my repair station here. I'm conducting some tough repair job every day and doing the QC and the packing job to guarantee that every single module that you received is in great condition and arrived your hand safe and sound. During the past 6 years, we gained trust and business from our customers from west to east by our service quality. I hope we can bring you more peace of mind for your LED events and shows in another 6 years and even longer. And thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.